not good.
If Billy catches on fire, I will piss on him. No, there's that little fuel. Yeah, see?
We knew that.
That wants to burn you. That doesn't like you.
Oh, shit.
We can cut the can open. We've got a good knife.
Are you serious? Look at this fucking motherfucker twitching.
Yeah, see? You want us, don't you, little fucker?
I'm waiting for this shit to erupt and Yana just like fall back.
The biggest delayed reaction I've
We're all gonna die. Hey, just to let you know, why didn't you take those weeds and shit and tuck it underneath?
Oh god, no.